Good morning and welcome to Market Watch Monday. I'm your host Slobodan Drvenica, and today we are looking at the top economic releases that will affect markets this week. Australia's business confidence survey will be released early Tuesday, followed by UK November labour report and the German zoo economic sentiment report for December. The highlight of the US session on Tuesday will be release of US inflation report for November. Britain's October gross domestic product and industrial production will be released in early European session on Wednesday, while Fed rate decision will be the key event of the day. The US Central Bank will announce its decision at the end of its two-day policy meeting on Wednesday. Markets widely expect the Fed to keep interest rates unchanged amid the growing signals that the central bank is done with the policy tightening and speculations that the Fed may start cutting interest rates early 2024. Markets will also focus on FOMC economic and interest rate projections, which will be released along with interest rate decision. Two major central banks take the center stage on Thursday, as Bank of England and European Central Bank will hold their monetary policy meetings and announce rate decision. The Bank of England is expected to keep interest rates unchanged at the 15-year high at 5.25% and also expected to signal that the borrowing cost must stay elevated to ensure Britain's still stubbornly high inflation is beaten. Markets also expect the Monetary Policy Committee to verify their firm stance against rate cuts in Britain, despite growing signals that other major central banks are on track to start easing monetary policy. The European Central Bank is also expected to stay on hold and keep interest rates unchanged at 4.5% in December's policy meeting. According to the latest less hawkish comments from policymakers, the ECB is likely to signal taking further rate hikes off the table, with the growing signals that the central bank may start cutting interest rates sometime in mid-2024. Release of US weekly jobless claims and the November retail sales will also be in focus on Thursday. Release of China's November retail sales and industrial production data will be the highlight of Asian session on Friday, followed by Eurozone and UK manufacturing services and PMIs, and concluding with the release of United States manufacturing and services purchasing managers indexes for November.